insert. You see the insert? That's the one he was showing you yesterday, the pad inside. And I don't know if you're going to be able to use it right now, maybe because it's too thick, maybe you're not going to be able to get into with the insert. Maybe you got to try with maybe 5-ply and okay, here we go. This is the pad that we're going to use. This pad, you use it when you're not using the insert. When you're using the insert, you don't have to use it anymore because this is inside already the insert. But right now, maybe you're going to go with the socks, so you're going to use this one and this one. First thing you're doing is you put the liner on. Now, put it like on, like the same way I did yesterday. I'm going to do it for you the first time, then you do it the next time yourself. Okay? It's going to be a little bit high in the beginning. The first time it's going to be a little bit high, but with the time I'm going to get the shape, right? You see? It's right there. You're going to be like this, you see? This is the way you're supposed to put it on. Alright? Alright, we're going to start with 5-ply. Let's see, 5-ply and the pad. But with the time, you're gonna start to use the so right now it's too big. Right now your leg is too big, but it's gonna shrink. Once you start to use the leg, it's gonna shrink. And you see that pad have the line in here. That's the going to the front. It got the shape of your leg. You see? See, but you gotta make sure that this line's in the front. And you're doing this after the line, and then you put the socks on, and that way you keep it, you hold it together. Okay? You see? There's a little hole up there, and then you keep it, and make sure that when you put it on, the pin is clean. You're gonna hear some click when you get into the pin of the lock. Okay? Just press down on your leg. Huh?
Now he feels over your hips to see how high the hip is, and then we can tell exactly how much we have to shorten it. That's how you measure it, because he's got to load both sides evenly. And then when you see the pelvis off, you can see it.
I'm going to cut it right down, so I can measure it now.
An inch?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's the half. Remember the half we talked about?
Yeah.
So when we measure it, I add a half. When they build it, they add a half, and then when we fit it, cut an inch off.
Because it's no more anatomic line.
He's off and running. Okay, now you can throw the walker away. Now, the way to check this thing is the way we trim our sockets is your kneecap should sit, see this little low area here? Your kneecap should sit right in that spot, because below it is the patella bar, which is really where you carry a good percentage of your weight, so that's the tendon. And now when you feel it, the top of your patella, you're in the right place in the socket. Now, you should feel pressure here, but you shouldn't feel pain. Now you want to put even weight on both legs. Line them up about 6 inches apart. That's it. Now the same weight on both sides. Shift over to the right a little bit more. That's it. Yeah, you're still hair tall.
I bet you he could take that leg off and hop from here out to his car.
Any pain?
No, I'm alright right now.
I think we should have some more socks. So
Yeah, well, he tightens up quick, and I think that foot's maybe moving.
Yeah, you need it.
Because what's going to happen now, he's going to shrink real fast, because he's busy. This is his first day on a prosthesis. Come on, he's running already. So what's going to happen is that body is going to shrink so rapidly that it's going to become uncomfortable.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Okay, alright.
Do it my hair, another sock like maybe 3 ply.
Another 3, give him another 3. Yeah. I feel better too. The way you adjust the volume is by... Yeah, if you hear 1 or 2, you can stand on it.
There you go.
There you go. And that's why the pin is serrated all the way down, so you'll keep going and locking it.
Now you're going to feel like softer because there's more ply there and a little bit tighter. Okay, go ahead, walk.
See the way he's walking? He's got his hip rotated a little bit.
I just kind of like super.
Yeah, now look, this is what you need to do. I think your hip is rotated only because you've been sitting on that leg for a year with nothing to do with it. And what happens, when your hip is rotated out, what happens is the foot swings this way now, not in line with the line of progression. So, feel my hip right here. Put your finger right here and watch. All rotation comes from the hip. Look. You see that? Do it on yourself. Now, see if you can bring it in. Good. I think you need to toe the foot out a little bit more so it trains him, because you got the foot toed in just to look normal against the other.
Right.
But
right.
you see he's externally rotated the hip. I would toe the foot out.
You know, we walk like this?
No. We're going to adjust the foot and set it back to where it should be. We're going to set it in the correct line, and then you'll learn to train it to come back in.
Don't move. I'm just going to fix it right there.
See, because a whole year with nothing to do with that leg.
I know it
hurt.
hurt.
Oh, jeez.
It's just your foot.
Just, I do this sometimes. So I'm going to do a little quick amputation. Take the foot off.
Right there. Don't move. More? It's a little
A
out.
little more. That's good. See, we're going to set it in normal alignment. So you get trained. Now what you're going to do is look in the mirror and try and match those feet. So right now you're going to see the right foot is out too far. Try and turn it back in. Now we can always move it, but I'd rather you learn to go straight first. Now look in the mirror when you walk.
It's a lot out. It looks like it's a lot out, but when
But
you
watch, yeah, see, you got to kind of fight it right now. That's where you want to be. That's it, beautiful. And watch the mirror, don't look down. Because when you look down, it throws your whole posture off.
Yeah.
Much better. I know it feels funny right now,
Yeah, it does.
but it will get better.
Maybe that was the way you walked before when.
Well, no, you know why? Because he had a whole year with an amputation. No leg. So that leg had no function for a year, so it just hangs.
I do feel a little funny though.
Yeah, it's gonna feel funny.
Because
You're kind of fighting it.
Because it feels like I'm like turning my knee.
Right, I know. I know. We can always move it.
Well, I'm sitting down in the San Antonio, waiting on an 8 o'clock train.
Prosthetics is an unusual industry. We call it reverse engineering. Because first we build it, and then we adjust it to make it perform.
I gotta get back to Dallas and tie up a few loose ends. I'm on a work a week, I'll make $100.
The alignment of the prosthesis is a term used for the relationship between the prosthetic foot and the prosthetic socket. The position of the foot with regard to the prosthetic socket is important to maintain the proper alignment.
'Cause this ain't gonna be the first time this old cowboy spent the night alone.